Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we're going to explain what is hoisting in JavaScript. Here is a table of contents. What is hoisting? Hoisting with variables, hoisting with function declarations, hoisting with function expressions, and finally, conclusion. First of all, what is hoisting? Hoisting is a JavaScript behavior where variable and function declarations are moved to the top of their containing scope during the compilation phase before the code is executed. This allows you to use variables and functions before they are actually declared in your code. While this concept is very simple, it is necessary and vital for every programmer to be familiar with it. It may especially be asked in job interview questions, so don't try to memorize it, but learn its meaning deeply. Okay, first of all, I'm going to talk about hoisting with variables. As you can see, I already defined a variable called firstName equal to John, and above the code, I read console.log firstName. First of all, I want to start this line of code. As you can see, the output is undefined. In this example, the firstName variable is hoisted to the top, but its assignment firstName equal to John remains where it is. This is why console.log firstName outputs undefined, since the variable exists but has no value assigned to it at that point. Now we're going to explain hoisting with function declarations. Here is a function called greet which print hello in console.log. First of all, I want to run this line of code. As you can see, the output is hello. Here, the entire function declaration of greet is hoisted to the top. This allows us to call the greet function before its actual declaration in this code. Finally, I'm going to explain hoisting with function expressions. Here we have function expression called greet which print hello in console.log. First, let me show you the output of this code. As you can see, we have an error. Greet is not a function. In this case, the variable declaration where greet is hoisted to the top, but the function assignment greet equal to function remains where it is. Attempting to call greet before the assignment results in an error since greet is not yet a function at that point. Conclusion. Hoisting is a crucial concept in JavaScript that allows you to use variables and function declarations before they are actually defined in the code. Remember that variable declarations are hoisted, but their assignment are not, leading to undefined values. Function declarations are fully hoisted, while function expressions are hoisted partially, causing potential errors when called before assignment. In your coding journey, understanding hoisting will help you write more organized and maintainable JavaScript code. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe